In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram chat not showing or not loading. Now, the first thing we're going to do is to go to our Play Store, click on the search bar and search for Instagram. Now, once you're on Instagram, you just have to make sure that this button right here says open. If it says update, you just have to update your Instagram to its latest model. Now, if that still doesn't work, you just have to go to your settings, scroll down and click on apps. Click on apps again, and then you just have to search for Instagram. Once you're on Instagram, you just have to click on storage and then tap on clear cache. You can also tap on clear data and then delete all this apps data. This will enable Instagram to restart its course of program. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.